Hello and Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? I hope you are doing fine. In this video, I would like to present about my final year project for this 5MFYP competition. As for my project, I created a robot called a firefighting robot. So, this idea came to me when I discovered that many fire incidents occurs in our country. When there are many cases of fire, many firefighters are needed to put out the fire. As a result, many firefighters were killed and injured while carrying out their duties. Okay, first of all, we need to know what is a robot. A robot is a machine that was built by a human so they can do some tasks for us with speed and automatically for human, or can be controlled. So a firefighting robot is built in order to replace a human job as firefighter, so that it can reduce the rate of firefighter that died caused by the fire. For the firefighting robot that I built is small in size. Actually, there are many firefighting robots that was built in another country, but I don't know in our country. And the robot is big in size, so that the firefighter can just control the robot from a distance. But for my firefighting robot, because it is small, so the main function for my robot is just to assist the firefighter to extinguish the fire. Okay, there are 4 main components that I used to build this robot, which are the microcontroller, the fire sensors, the water pump, and motors to move the wheels. For the most important component that was used is microcontroller. The microcontroller that I use is called Arduino Uno. Why this microcontroller is very important? Why the microcontroller is very important? It is because the microcontroller will act as the brain of the robot. At first, the microcontroller was programmed based on the Arduino code that were uploaded into it. The action of the robot is based on the Arduino code that I wrote at the Arduino IDE software. Now, based on the code, what are the functions or what are the actions of the robot and how it works? The fire is detected. The robot moves toward the direction of the fire, and when the robot standing straight ahead of the fire, water will be sprayed to extinguish the fire. Because of the container is placed on top of a servo motor, the direction to spray the water can be controlled. Like I said before, because the robot is small in size, it is used to detect fire in a narrow, is most suitable to detect fire in narrow and small space and extinguish the fire. It also works automatically without having to be controlled remotely. Because of that, the firefighter can focus to extinguish fire at bigger and wide area. In the end, I hope this creation can help the firefighter to do their tasks and reducing the number of firefighters injured in the future. That's all from me. I hope you have a good day. Thank you for listening and goodbye.